thousands of Chinese Canadians came to Parliament Hill on Saturday to denounce racism and reflect upon the Chinese Immigration Act, which was passed in 1923 in Canada and commonly known as the Chinese Exclusion Act. People enjoyed various forms of Chinese cultural performances, including dancing, music, and lion dance, before speeches were made.
I know many of you have come from many, many miles away. You've come from the furthest easternmost point of this country to the westernmost point of this country. And that shows that Chinese Canadians are united and they can come together with one voice to show our strength, our determination, and above all, our commitment to Canada.
In a letter read at the event, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said, "The Chinese communities in Canada deserved better and still do, which is why we must continue to fight anti-Asian racism, violence, and hate." The Chinese Exclusion Act, which banned most forms of Chinese immigration to Canada, was repealed in 1947.